Guru Purnima. Guru Purnima is the day to commemorate the importance of the Guru or the teacher in one's life. Guru Purnima is celebrated on the full moon day or Purnima in the month of Ashada of the Hindu calendar. It falls in the months of July to August in the English calendar. The word Guru is a combination of two Sanskrit words Gu and Ru. Gu means ignorance or darkness. Ru means someone who removes darkness. So, Guru is one who removes the darkness of our ignorance. It is celebrated as a festival in India, Nepal and Bhutan by the Hindus, Jains and Buddhists. Spiritual significance of Guru Purnima. According to the Hinduism, Guru Purnima celebrates the birth of Vedavyasa, the famous sage who is said to have edited the Vedas, dividing them into four. He also wrote the Puranas, which is considered the fifth Veda, and the Mahabharata. It is believed that on this day, prayers reach the Mahaguru directly and his blessings evade darkness and ignorance from a disciple's life. According to Buddhism, on this day, Gautam Buddha delivered his first sermon or teaching to his first 5 disciples after he migrated from Bodh Gaya to Sarnath. Thereafter, the Sangha or the community of his disciples was formed. In Jain religion, Lord Mahavir made Indrabhuti Gautam as his first disciple and became first Guru. So, Guru Purnima is also known as Trinoguha Purnima. The festival was revived by Mahatma Gandhi to pay tribute to his spiritual guru Srimad Rajchandra. Rituals of Guru Purnima. According to ancient Indian history, this day is of utmost importance to farmers as they worship God for giving them a good rainfall for the next harvest. This day is dedicated to the worshipping of one's Guru who acts as the guiding light in his or her life. Vyasa Puja is held in many places where mantras are enchanted to venerate the Guru. Devotees offer flowers and gifts as token of respect, and prasad and charanamrita are distributed. Devotional songs, hymns and recitals are chanted the whole day. The holy text of Guru Gita is recited in the Guru's memory. Pada Puja or the worship of the sage sandals are arranged by disciples in different ashrams, and people gather at the place where the seat of their Guru lies, rededicating themselves to his teachings and principles. Many people begin their spiritual lessons on this day. Buddhists observe the 8 teachings of Buddha on this day. This ritual is known as Uposatha. This is celebrated by giving respect to the spiritual masters and academic gurus. In many schools, functions are organized to pay respect to teachers. Guru Purnima is a spiritual celebration dedicated to acknowledging the contribution of the gurus and teachers by the disciples. A guru is a person who teaches and sheds light, knowledge, and directs us to lead in the right path. On this Guru Purnima, let's thank our respective gurus, and may we always be enlightened by their knowledge. Happy Guru Purnima. Thank you.